Hey Oklahomans, here are 3 tips to dealing with solar door knockers. My name is Bear McAfee and I serve as the Director of Sales for Solar Power of Oklahoma. And I wanted to give you 3 tips to help navigate when you get door knocked by a solar salesperson. Tip number 1. A lot of these out-of-state door knockers are coming in and claiming that they're directly partnering with the utility company with a new net metering policy, and they want to see if your home is eligible. Well, a couple of things about that. The first is that net metering is not a new policy, something that's actually been around for a really long time. Here at Solar Power of Oklahoma, one of our customers has actually helped to write and advocate for net metering policies for utilities all across the state. These companies claiming that they're partnered directly with the utility company is just not accurate. Eligibility of your home for solar is not dependent upon the location, but rather your local utility guides. Tip number 2, be kind and courteous to these individuals. Many of these out-of-state companies from states like California and Utah are sending people to Oklahoma for the very first time. As Oklahomans, we have a responsibility to be hospitable and kind and show these people value. You don't have to be swindled or taken advantage of, but you also don't have to be a jerk. Tip number 3, make sure that the companies you're talking with solar about are being transparent. Sadly, solar is a very easily manipulated product. And so make sure that the math that they're doing on your energy consumption is accurate. Make sure that the equipment that they're using is nice and is going to stand the test of time. And then finally, do research on the company. Make sure that their reviews and their longevity as a company provide them to be trustworthy to partner with for the next 25 or 30 years. And finally, if it sounds too good to be true, that's likely because it is. So if you're interested in learning more about solar and hedging against rising utility rates, reach out to us, a local guide that's here to take care of you and will be here for the long term that can partner with you in your energy needs. Oh, hey guys, no worries. So based off of your utility consumption, I designed a system for you last night. So what I did was I took